Good morning, everyone. We're going to be working with combining like terms, and this is what the type of thing looks like that we'll be working with. And I'm going to walk you through some examples to try and get you a sense on what it is that we're doing. So, if I were to ask you guys, what do you get when you add 3 apples and 4 bananas? Well, you can't combine them. You just have 3 apples, come on, and 4 bananas. You can't bring them together. But if you had 4 apples plus 3 apples, you're going to get 7 apples. So you can add like things together. Things that are unlike, oops, we got the 4 bananas. When they're unlike things, you can't bring them together. But when they are alike, you can bring them together. So if you were to have a long statement like this, 3 apples plus 4 bananas. Why is it stopping? Come on. Oh, good grief. Plus 4 bananas. Okay, come on, you can do it. Plus 4 apples. The only thing that you can combine is the 3 apples and the 4 apples. And it's okay that they're separated like this. You can combine these 2 items to get 7 apples and 4 bananas. In here, you've got 4 apples plus 4 bananas minus 3 apples. I can combine these 2 things because they are alike. This 4 bananas thing I can't combine them because it's not alike the apples. So you would just go 4 apples minus 3 apples is 1 apple and 4 bananas. Okay? It's okay that there's this physical separation here. You can take the 4 apples and subtract the 3 apples from it. So something like this, 4 apples minus 4 bananas minus 3 apples, that we have subtraction with everything now, it's okay. You're just subtracting the 4 bananas, but it can't combine with these apples. Only the apples can combine with the apples. So I'd have 1 apple minus 4 bananas. Okay, computer, come on back. There we go, minus B-A-N-E. Yes. Okay. Now using letters, if I were to have, say, 3 apples plus 4 bananas plus 3 apples, the A's are, oops, I wrote 3 and it's a 4. Boop. I can combine the 3 apples and the 4 apples. The 3A plus the 4A makes 7A plus the 4 B's that were still there. Okay? Dealing with letters again, if I have 4A minus 4B minus 3A, again, I can combine these 2 things, but I can't bring this with it. It just has to go along for the ride. So that would be 1A minus 4B. Okay? This would be 4A plus 3A plus 6. The 6 can't combine with these things because it doesn't have an A with it. It just becomes 7A plus 6. The 6 can't combine with any of these because it doesn't have an a with it. This is 4a. Oh, stop. This is 4a plus 5 plus 3a plus 3. I can combine these two things, and because these don't have letters with it, I can combine those. So the 4a plus 3a becomes 7a, and the 5 plus the 3 just becomes 8. Okay? So if I have 4a plus 5 minus 3a minus 3. Okay, when there's subtraction going on, you just deal with the signs for what is related, what is alike. This is the 4a minus 3a, 3a, and then you have plus 5 minus the 3. So the 4a, these are alike, 4a and 3a. 4a minus 3a is 1a, and the 5 minus 3 is 2. These are alike, these are like terms because they don't have a variable with it, they're just plain numbers. These are like terms because they both have an a. So this is 4 plus 4a. Come on. I don't know why this is being so glitchy this morning. I can't combine these because they both don't have an a. So that just has to stay there, as is, for now. Okay, plus 5 minus 3a, and then this minus 3. If it helps you to rearrange things that are alike, you can do that. You've got 4a minus 3a, so those two things are I've grouped, and then I have a positive 4, so then I have 4, and notice I'm taking the sign that's in front of it, the sign that's in front of it, and the sign that's in front of it. So I have 4 plus 5 minus 3. I've grouped the things that are alike. 4a minus 3a is 1a. 4 plus 5 is 9. Minus 3 is 6. So this would be your final answer. Okay. The easiest way to show you this is in Delta Math. So let me pause this and go to Delta Math and show you. Okay, so here it is in Delta Math. And it doesn't matter if you start with the letters or the numbers, but I'm going to click and drag this 5, negative 5y, and the negative 3y on top of each other. I'm going to click this and drag it over here because these are alike. So I have minus 3y minus 5y. Well, that's negative 8y. Okay? Now I've got the 1 minus the 2. So I'm going to drag those on top of each other. That much gives me negative 1. Okay? Now I need to drag the negative 1 over to the negative 7. So that gives me a negative 8. Okay? And notice these are an x and a y. I can't bring those together. So this would be your final answer. There's nothing more to combine. Okay? Let's try another one. Now, it doesn't matter if you start with numbers or letters. So how about the negative 4 and the negative 3? How about I bring those together first? Negative 3 minus 4 gives you negative 7. Okay? Now I've got, there's no variable in front, or sorry, there's no number in front of this. So that's a 1y and 4y, which makes 5y. Now I've got a couple x's to bring together. I have minus 5x and 2x, or 2x minus 5x would be minus 3x. And it tells me I successfully combined all like terms, so that's finished. Okay. helps to see another one. Well, this one's super short. All I have to do here is bring the numbers together. So 4 minus 7 is minus 3. Oops, I didn't click in the spot. Minus 3. And the minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. There you go. Okay, so I think that covers the basics. Thank you for your time.